If you squat down and find it very difficult to stand back up, if you need to hold the ground, hold your thighs, or grab onto something nearby just to slowly get up, then please listen carefully. At this moment, do not rush to drink bone soup, and do not blindly rely on supplements. Let me tell you honestly, those things do not really solve the problem. Today, Coach Lin will teach you one simple movement. The movement is not complicated at all, but once you truly understand it and practice it consistently, every day, you will feel a clear change in your body. Not only will your walking feel lighter, your legs will feel stronger, but squatting down and going up or down stairs will become much easier and smoother. Today, I want to share this movement with everyone who happens to be watching this video. I sincerely hope that from today onward, your body stays healthy, your mind stays calm, and your life becomes smoother and more stable. Now listen carefully. You only need 1 minute to fully understand this method. Whether or not you tap the like button, you can still follow along and exercise together with me. Have you noticed something? As winter arrives, many people start to feel their legs becoming weak, their steps feeling unstable, and squatting becoming more and more difficult. At this time, please do not keep kicking your legs. Even if you kick them for an entire lifetime, it will not fix the problem. Do not keep pulling or stretching aggressively either. Even if you stretch for 2 lifetimes, the weakness will still be there. Many people do not realize that when the legs feel weak, when walking becomes shaky, and when squatting is difficult, the problem is often not in the legs themselves. Most people get this wrong. They believe the legs are the issue, so they train the legs every single day. Today they kick, tomorrow they stretch, but in the end they find the legs are still weak. Today, with over 10 years of coaching experience, I want to responsibly tell you the truth. The real problem is not your legs. The real problem is here. It lies in your glutes. There is a very large muscle in the glute area that many people completely overlook. This muscle is called the gluteus maximus. The gluteus maximus sits right at the center of your body. Upward, it supports your lower back and spine. In the middle, it stabilizes your pelvis and sitting bones. Downward, it connects directly to your legs. In the entire body, it plays a crucial role in linking the upper body and lower body together. In daily life, whether you are walking, lifting your leg, or standing up from a squat, the gluteus maximus is working constantly behind the scenes. That is why people often say, when your glutes are strong, your lower back feels relaxed and comfortable. When your glutes are strong, your legs naturally feel powerful. But as we grow older, or if we sit for long periods every day and lack proper exercise, the gluteus maximus begins to weaken, shrink, and gradually age. If, at this stage, you do not train it correctly and strengthen it properly, you will slowly notice changes. Your steps become smaller, your legs no longer lift as high, your balance becomes unstable. Even squatting down to use the toilet can feel extremely difficult without holding on to something. Going up and down stairs becomes a real challenge. These movements may look simple, but in the second half of life, they can become the hardest things to do. What is even more concerning is the risk of falling. For older adults, a single fall is not a small matter. I have seen many elders whose health declined significantly after just one fall. Now, when people think about training the glutes, what is the first thing they think of? Running, jumping, squats. Let me be very clear. Please stop doing these exercises if you are older or already feel weak in your lower body. It is not that these movements are bad. The problem is that they do not truly build muscle. They only help loosen the muscles and improve flexibility. They do not prevent muscle loss, and they do not restore strength. That is why the most effective and safest method recognized worldwide to strengthen the gluteus maximus is core resistance training. This method does not require running. It does not require jumping. You can do it safely while sitting at home. Next, I will teach you this movement step by step. Before we start, we need a simple tool, a numbered resistance band. This band is essential for proper glute training. Each number on the band represents a different resistance level, which allows your muscles to adapt gradually and safely at different stages of training. If you don't have one at home, you can usually find it at nearby supermarkets or sports stores. It's simple, affordable, and very practical. Now, sit down comfortably. You can sit on a chair, a sofa, the edge of the bed, or even on a carpet. The key is to sit steadily and keep your upper body relaxed. Next, thread your hands through both ends of the resistance band. Hold it firmly but without tension. Then, place one foot right in the middle of the band. Now, we begin. The movement itself is extremely simple. Push the leg forward, then bring it back. Push forward, bring it back. There's no need to rush. Move slowly and with control. As you perform this movement, pay close attention to your body. You will clearly feel your glutes tightening, your lower back engaging, your thighs actively working together. This is very important, because this simple motion allows your waist, hips, and legs to contract and cooperate as one unit, instead of each part working separately. Under a resistance level of about 6 to 8 kilograms, this movement gently stimulates those weak and inactive muscle fibers that haven't been used properly for years. Over time, these fibers begin to wake up, activate, and gradually grow stronger again. This is the true value of resistance training. Not fast, not aggressive, but deep and effective. At the same time, this movement also improves the coordination between your waist, hips, and legs. It helps open the space around your hip joints, which is something many people lose as they age or sit too much. Once this space opens, you'll start to notice small but important changes. Your legs lift more easily, your steps become longer, your walking feels lighter and more stable. Even everyday movements like turning, standing, or changing direction will feel smoother and safer. At home, you can alternate between the left leg and the right leg. There's no need to overdo it. Practice 3 to 5 sets per day. Each set, aim for at least 20 repetitions. If you're just starting, go slower. Focus on control and feeling the muscle, not the number. After practicing for a period of time, take a moment to observe your body. Notice your leg strength, your balance when standing or walking, your comfort when sitting down and standing up. These changes don't come overnight, but once they appear, you'll clearly feel the difference. Finally, a gentle reminder. When choosing a resistance band, make sure the material is strong and the elasticity is reliable. A good quality band provides smooth resistance, protects your joints, and makes training much safer and more effective. If you're worried about choosing the wrong one or buying something unsuitable, you can check the option linked in the profile. I've already prepared the same one I personally use for everyone. Take care of your glutes, train them patiently and consistently, and your body will support you for many more years to come.